the full scientific guide on how to stick to your New Year's resolutions. Do you set New Year's resolutions every year but struggle to keep them past January? In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies to help you stick to your goals and achieve the changes you desire. From setting realistic goals to creating accountability, we've got you covered. Whether you're trying to lose weight, quit smoking, or start a new hobby, this video will provide you with the tools you need to make your New Year's resolutions a success. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So, let's get started. Every year, people around the world make resolutions to improve their lives, but many of these resolutions are abandoned before February even begins. Here are some key strategies for sticking to your New Year's resolutions and making the changes you desire. Strategy number 1. Set realistic goals. The first step in sticking to your New Year's resolutions is to set realistic goals. Many people make the mistake of setting goals that are too ambitious or unattainable, which can lead to frustration and disappointment. Instead, set goals that are specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, if your goal is to lose weight, set realistic targets such as losing 1 pound per week. Strategy number 2. Create accountability. Accountability is a powerful motivator when it comes to achieving your goals. By sharing your goals with others, you create a sense of responsibility and obligation to follow through on your commitments. This could involve telling a friend or family member about your goals, or joining a group or community focused on the same goal as you. For example, if you're trying to quit smoking, joining a support group or online community can provide you with the encouragement and accountability you need to succeed. Strategy number 3. Build habits. Building new habits is essential for making lasting changes in your life. Habits are automatic behaviors that we perform without conscious thought, and they can be incredibly powerful when it comes to achieving your goals. To build new habits, start small and focus on consistency. For example, if your goal is to start exercising regularly, begin with just a few minutes of activity each day and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. By making exercise a habit, it will become a natural part of your daily routine, making it easier to stick to your New Year's resolution. Strategy number 4. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is key to sticking to your New Year's resolutions. While motivation can be hard to come by at times, there are a few things you can do to keep your spirits up. One effective strategy is to focus on the benefits of achieving your goal. For example, if your goal is to save money, think about how much you'll be able to enjoy your savings once you've reached your target. Another strategy is to reward yourself for progress towards your goal. For example, if you've gone a month without smoking, treat yourself to a movie or a night out with friends. Strategy number 5. Learn from setbacks. No matter how committed you are to your New Year's resolutions, setbacks are inevitable. When setbacks occur, it's important to learn from them and use them as an opportunity to recommit to your goals. Instead of giving up when you experience a setback, reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently moving forward. This could involve adjusting your approach or seeking out additional support to help you overcome any obstacles you may encounter. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the process, and it's how you respond to them that determines whether you'll ultimately succeed in achieving your goals. Strategy number 6. Learn and adapt. Encountering a setback is one of the most common reasons why people give up on their New Year's resolutions. If you suddenly relapse into a bad habit, don't view it as a failure. The path toward your goal is not always a straight one, and there will often be challenges along the way. Instead, view relapses as learning opportunities. If you are keeping a resolution journal, write down important information about when the relapse occurred, what might have triggered it, and what you might do differently next time. Strategy number 7. Renew your motivation. During the first days of a New Year's resolution, you will probably feel confident and highly motivated to reach your goal, because you haven't really faced any discomfort or temptation associated with changing your behavior. Making this change might seem all too easy. After dealing with the reality of dragging yourself to the gym at 6 a.m. or gritting your teeth through headaches brought on by nicotine withdrawal, your motivation to keep your New Year's resolution may start to dwindle. When you face such moments, remind yourself exactly why you are doing this. Think about what do you have to gain by achieving your goal. Outro. Congratulations! You now have the tools and strategies you need to stick to your New Year's resolutions and make positive changes in your life. By setting realistic goals, creating accountability, building habits, staying motivated, and learning from setbacks, you can overcome any obstacles and achieve the changes you desire. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.